Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add YouTube shorts to your YouTube playlist. So there's a few shorts here and I want to save this YouTube short to my watch later playlist. So what you're going to do is you're going to select the three dots here, save to playlist, and you're going to select a playlist, or you can even create a new playlist. So it's going to be saved to your watch later playlist. If I go to home, to me I guess, and go to playlist and go to like watch later here, it should be there. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.